So this will be my second and third example on the topic about indeterminate forms. We have example number 2, limit of the cube root of x minus 2 all over x minus 8 as x approaches 8. Now, let us first determine if these two examples are indeterminate. Paano yun? We substitute, by straight substitution, we assign x equal to 8 for example number 2, and for example number 3, we assign x equal to 3. Okay, tingnan natin. If x is 8, so that will be cube root of 8 minus 2 all over 8 minus 8. We have cube root of 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 over 0, we have 0 over 0. So this is an example of a limit of a function na indeterminate form. So, but it doesn't mean na limit does not exist. Okay? Paano gagawin natin? Okay? Kung natatandaan niyo pa yung lesson natin, this is cube, right? Kailangan matanggal yung ating radical. Okay? Paano natin gagawin yon? Kung tandaan niyo pa yung special products in factoring, x cube minus y cube, that will be x plus y. Sorry, x minus y. X minus y, square of x, plus product of x and y, plus square of y. Okay. Ibig sabihin, ito yung existing nating binomial. X happens to be cube root of x, and y happens to be 2. Therefore, we have to multiply this by a trinomial of this form. Since x equals cube root of x and y equal to 2, therefore, square of x is the square of cube root of x. So, this is equal to cube root of x minus 2 over x minus 8. Tawag natin dito, we are rationalizing the numerator kasi yung ating numerator is radical o irrational. So, i-multiply natin yung taas, okay, ng ganito. Paano yun? Square of this. Ang x kasi natin is cube root of x. Square of this will be cube root of x squared. Xy is product of these two, or product of these two. That will be 2 cube root of x. And y squared, y, or square of 2, that will be 4. So, nag-multiply tayo sa taas, it should be multiplied also sa ilalim to preserve yung ating original fraction. Plus 2 cube root of x. Sana tanda pa itong topic na to. As x approaches to 8. Now, sabi, pag na-multiply daw natin itong binomial na to sa ganitong trinomial, the result is just x cubed minus y cubed. Okay? Cube natin to. So, that will be cube x, cube of cube root of x minus cube of y, kaya y is 2, so 2 cube, all over x approaches 8 muna. Product nito. So, x minus 8 times cube root of x squared plus 2 cube root of x plus 4. Wala na yun nasa taas kasi ito na yun. Okay? Next. Next is what? Cube root of x is x. Okay? So that will be limit of x. 2 cube is 8. Okay? All over. Ito pa kaya sa screen. Okay? We have x minus 8. That will be quantity cube root of x squared plus 2 cube root of x plus 4. Okay? Dito pa ba? Okay? X approaches 8. Now, pwede natin ito makancel. Okay? So, matitira na lang, ito tayo, is limit of, nasa ilalim na lang, 1 over this one, cube root x squared plus 2 cube root of x plus 4. Okay? As x approaches 8. Saka natin pwedeng masolve ang limit by straight substitution. So, 1 over 3 cube root of 8 squared plus 2 cube root of 8 plus 4. Okay. This will be 64, and cube root of 64 is 4. 1 over 4. Cube root of 8 is 2 times 2. That is also 4 plus 4. That is 1 over 12. So the limit of this function as x approaches 8 is 1 over 12. Pero, pag grinap natin yan, may whole pa rin siya. O still, the function is not defined when x equals 8. But if x is approaching to 8, this function is approaching to a certain limit, and the limit is 1 over 12. So that is how to solve example number 2 na kung saan siya ay indeterminate form. Okay, so I'm going to give you the third example.